Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe that I've made since I was a teenager, and it's really easy to make. You kind of just chunk everything into a bowl, mix up your dressing, toss it together, and it's super delicious. I've got everything set out here ready to go. Now when it comes to the vegetables in this, you can use whatever type of vegetables you have on hand, whatever vegetables you like. If you don't like a vegetable, you can take it out, replace it with something else, whatever is up to you. And for the meat, you can do sausage, summer sausage, you can do chicken is really good in here. I've not tried beef or pork, so I can't really say if that's good or not, but if you want to try that, you can certainly go ahead and do that. And for the cheeses in this, you can use whatever type of cheese that you like. I have done so many types of different cheeses in here, except for like the really soft cheeses. I haven't tried that, but I've tried like pepper jack, mozzarella, Swiss, cheddar, you know, things like that, and they all go so good together. And the dressing is super easy to make. So I'm going to go over everything you're going to need, and yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, I've got everything set out here. We're just going to go over from left to right. In here I've got Cajun smoked sausage, and I've got regular smoked sausage. This is already cooked, so you don't really need to cook it, but if you want to heat it through, that's fine. In here I've got just mild cheddar and some Swiss, and I just cut them up into little bite-sized cubes. Oh, in here I've got just a half a pound of each, but you can do chicken if you want. That's perfectly fine. I've got a half a pound of cheddar and a half a pound of Swiss. In here I've just got some mushrooms, and I've cleaned them. I took part of the fibrous pieces off of the stems and just quartered them. I've got a bell pepper. I've got some cherry tomatoes, cucumber, olives, salt, pepper. In here I've got the juice of 1 lemon, a tablespoon of honey, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and some olive oil. Okay, we're going to start off with the dressing. So like I said, in here I have a tablespoon of honey, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and the juice of 1 lemon. I'm just going to add about a half of a teaspoon of garlic powder. You can add a little bit more if you like. I'm also going to add in some onion powder, just a little bit less of that because I don't want it to be too overpowering with the onion flavor. I've got some Italian seasoning. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of that. 3/4 of a teaspoon would do. I'm going to add just a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. You're going to add about a 1/4 cup of olive oil right in here. That should do it. And then you're just going to whisk this together until it's very well combined. It shouldn't take long. That Dijon and honey will help emulsify the dressing. Okay, you kind of give it a taste. Needs a little bit more salt and pepper. And that should be good. I'm going to set this aside. Alright guys, for the salad part, you're going to go ahead and add in your cucumber, your olives, your mushrooms, bell pepper, your tomato. This is a very colorful salad, and this is one of my daughter loves the salad. It's one of her favorites, and during the spring and summer I make this for her all of the time, and it makes quite a lot. So I've added my cheese. Next I'm going to add in all of my sausage. Then we're just going to come in, give this dressing a little bit of a whisk. I'm just going to pour this right over the top. Now, if you want it more saucy, you can certainly double the recipe of this and toss it together. Now we're just going to go in and mix this completely and make sure all of those vegetables have a little bit of that dressing on all of it. Now that it's completely coated, you're going to put a lid on this or cover it with plastic wrap, and then just pop this in the refrigerator for about an hour. It travels really well, so if you're going on a picnic, you can just pop a lid on it and take it with you. Be good to go. I'm just going to pop this in the refrigerator for an hour, and then we'll be ready to serve. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to tick that little notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.